So kids, today we are studying number counting. ONE, 1. There are 1 elephant, there are 1 monkey, there are 1 spider and 1 bird. TWO, 2. There are 2 spider, 2 elephant, 2 monkeys and 2 birds. Next, 3. THREE. There are 3 spiders, 3 elephants, 3 monkeys and 3 birds. 4. FOUR. There are 4 elephants, 4 monkeys, 4 spiders and 4 birds. 5. FIVE. 5. There are 5 spiders, 5 monkeys, 5 birds. 6. SIX. There are 6 elephants, there are 6 spiders and 6 monkeys and 6 birds. I repeat once more. SIX, 6. There are 6 spiders, 6 elephants, 6 monkeys and 6 birds. 7. SEVEN, 7. There are 7 spiders, 7 elephants, 7 monkeys, 7 birds. 8. EIGHT, 8. There are 8 spiders, 8 birds and 8 football and 8 monkeys. 9. NINE, 9. There are 9 football, 9 elephant, 9 spider. 10. TEN, 10. There are 10 footballs, 10 monkeys, 10 elephants, 10 spiders, 10 birds. Thank you for watching, kids. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye bye.